Hi, this is Bastian. So I wanted to do a quick demo of the simplest way to use AI to vibe code a simple web page. So here we are in ChatGPT. I put it to ChatGPT 4.1. Normally you have to go under more models and you can find it there. GPT 4.1, great for quick coding, which is exactly what we're doing. So give me a web page on Smaug that I can host on GitHub pages. So as you can see here, it's doing a website. We begin with this doc type HTML. That means HTML5 or version 5 of the HTML specification. Then we get some content here. This is the description of the page, and here this style, this is what we call CSS, cascading style sheets. That's the formatting of the page, so not the content, but the font and the colors, etc. Then here we get some of the content of the website. And now what we do is we simply copy this thing. There's a button here. Here is my new GitHub page that I created for this, and what we're going to do is create a repository here, which we will call vibe page 1. Let's just call page 1, maybe that's better. I'll set it to public and create a repository. And now from here we're going to go to this blue link in the text. In the light blue box there's the first blue link which has created a new file. And now we're going to type the title of the file, which is going to be index.html. So for websites, actually it's mentioned here as well that the file name is index.html. So that's exactly what we do. That's the default file name in a folder where the browser will look. Now, as you can see, there's an empty line at the end here. That's a convention in coding that you do that. And we now commit using the green button. It gives us a pop-up to make some final changes. And here it is. Now we just have to set one thing here, which is pages. We set this branch to main. Now we've created the page and we've told GitHub that this is a website. And as you can see here, it's trying to build it. So I clicked on that and now I can, let's just open this in a new page. It's trying to deploy this as a website, and we get a whole log here, which we don't really need to see. The main thing that we're looking at here is this yellow thing, boom, and it turns green. So that's really all we wanted to see. Let's see if it gave us a link to where this is available. No, not really, but thankfully it's not hard. So the way it works, let's just copy these two things. Vibe rolling is the name of the account that I created here. I'm going to do .github.io, not .com, but .io / and then the repository name, which is page 1. And here we have our website. As you can see, it created an image, but I guess that's not working. Well, this is a good, useful experiment, so let's try and find this image, Wikimedia Smaug Drive. Okay, here we have something. Here's the image. So Wikimedia is the place where Wikipedia hosts all its content, like image files, etc. Okay, let's see if we can find the link. Here's this file on the web. Here we go. Okay, page URL, file URL. I guess this is the one we need. And now we can close all this, and we click on the file here and edit. here we just find the URL, which is this one, and swap it with the one that we copied from Wikipedia, and we do commit changes again, and now we'll make a message like fix image URL. As you can see, it's brown again here, or whatever the color is supposed to be, and it says pending when you hover over it. Let's see, and there's the current run. It's yellow again. We're gonna have a look. Okay, it's done. It just went out. Reloading it turned green, I guess. Let's see if that's true. Yes. So let's reload. And there we have an image now. And what's nice, by the way, is that this the colors that that were written in the CSS here, and the font Georgia match the aesthetics of the dragon's mouth in The Hobbit. It's all about red and black and yellow, which are kind of the colors of this dragon in the cave. Okay, that was the first example, and next we'll try to create a more dynamic page using the same system, using ChatGPT here, and then GitHub to host our website. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.